If your Instagram stories are turning out blurry after you upload them, don't worry. There are a few things you can try to make sure they look sharp and clear. First, check your internet connection. If you're on mobile data, try switching it off and connect to a strong Wi-Fi network instead. And if you're already on Wi-Fi but it feels slow or unstable, switch back to mobile data. Instagram needs a good and steady upload speed to process your stories in the highest quality. You can test your speed by going to speedtest.net. If your upload speed is above 2 to 3 Mbps, then your internet is not the problem. Next, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, and check if there's a pending update for Instagram. Updates often come with bug fixes and improvements that can solve issues like blurry uploads. Finally, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, then scroll all the way down until you see the media quality option. Here, make sure the switch called Use Less Cellular Data is turned off and the one called Upload at highest quality is turned on. This setting ensures Instagram always uploads your stories in the best possible resolution. I hope this helped. If it did, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.